welcome to Hey Rowan. Before we get started, click the subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. Today we are opening the Barbie color reveal. And I hope I get this one.
You want the teal Barbie? The
Yeah.
teal hair? What else? What can come in that? What can come in the Barbie?
So there you can get some clothes. You can get a Barbie. You can get some earrings, shoes, skirt, and hair maybe. I'm
thinking hair. Okay.
Let's unzip it and see what's inside. We can already see some blind bags, guys. Look.
Oh my goodness, there's so many blind bags in there.
I'm gonna start with the big purple one.
The big purple one?
Yeah, because I'm really excited about my Barbie. You can open it.
Can you get it?
Yeah.
Good job.
I think we're supposed to put water in here. I think it's a container to put water in.
Yep. Oh, we don't use our teeth. Too excited.
Yes, I am. I'm so excited. She's purple.
She's purple. Oh my goodness, I think.
And she's teal.
So I think what we have to do is we have to take our Barbie and we're gonna stick her in the water.
That is a hair extension.
Yep, it is a hair extension. We're gonna stick her in the cold water in a minute and we will see what she becomes.
And this Barbie needs water on it.
So we're gonna add some cold water. Let's put our Barbie in there first. Put the Barbie in there first.
Okay. The Barbie in. And guys, look at her foot. We can already see something.
Oh, we can already see a little something. Let's see what we find out. There you go. Mom's gonna hold this. Be very careful.
And always ask a grown-up for help.
Go ahead and fill it all the way up.
Yep, until her face gets covered. Wow, it's all white.
I know, because I think there's paint on there to kind of cover it up.
What? It's white.
It's white.
Yeah, look. Black, white, black and white.
Pour it in there. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see. Push her in there. You might have to wipe her off a little bit.
Hold on, we need the top to shake it. I think we're supposed to shake it.
Are we supposed to shake it?
Yeah.
Ooh, I don't know. There's a hole in the top, so I don't think so.
We're adding a little more water to her. I kind of see her face and her. Oh, she has pink hair.
She does? Get it over top of her hair. Okay, I think that's enough water.
Whoa.
Oh, she's floating to the top now. All right, put her in there. Wipe her off a little bit with your fingers. Yeah.
Oh, I see her pink hair.
Let me see your pink hair. Let's see. Oh my goodness.
I'm so excited. What did we get?
Okay, hold on. Are we ready for the big reveal?
Mm-hmm.
Let's pull her out. Turn her this way, baby. See? Oh, she's beautiful. Yep, let's put her on the towel and dry her off. Get the rest of the covering off.
I think this will work. See?
Be gentle.
We don't want to accidentally rip her. I have a whole.
Let's see her. She is beautiful. Look at her blue eyes and pink hair and her really cool shirt. She looks like she has a leotard on.
Yeah.
And pink tights.
Now
Awesome.
we're gonna open the other ones. Now that we got our Barbie, now let's open her accessories. I'm so excited. It's her hair extension.
What color did you get?
We got pink. She loves pink.
Perfect. And for this bag, as you can see, you don't use water.
Yeah.
Perfect. Let's put it in.
There's a little hole here. It looks like she has a band in her hair, but she doesn't.
Oh my goodness, look how cute that ponytail is. It's beautiful and curly and vibrant hot pink.
I'll show you guys. This is how she looks.
Perfect. Okay, let's open our next bag.
Here's our next bag. Let's see what's inside. Her clothes. They even match her other clothes. See?
Oh my goodness, look at this beautiful black and white polka dot skirt with the sprinkle bottom. That's so cute.
Okay, let's open another one.
Let's put it on her first.
Okay, see how she looks, guys. I'm so excited. Are you, Mama?
I am so excited to see how she turns out. She looks beautiful so far.
Because we put on her ponytail. Look.
She does. Oh, she can wave. She whips her hair back and forth. Oh, did you get it on her?
Yep.
There you go. Stand her up straight.
Oh, wait.
Perfect.
Now we got on her tutu. Time for the next bag.
Does that one need water?
No.
Nope.
Cute little pink shoes.
Let us see.
Here's her shoes.
Oh my goodness, look at those cute
Let's put them on her
stilettos.
and see what they look like on her.
Perfect.
Is this one go on the right shoe?
Mm-hmm.
I think this is.
I think you have to put her foot through that strap first. There you go.
There we go. Next one. She's rocking on pink.
She's rocking the pink. She
Because
is rocking the pink.
She loves.
Good job. Pretty in pink.
Okay. Let's put this one away. What is it? What is it? Woo, last one. Earrings. She has pink looped earrings.
She does.
Pink every.
Pink everything. That must be her favorite color, do you think?
Yeah.
I think so too.
Let's put in her earrings. There's little holes in her. I'm so thinking putting that.
Woo-wee, she is a diva.
What does diva mean, Mom?
Diva means she is fashionable and sassy and so much fun.
And I bet I would have fun at my Barbie house because for Christmas I did a Barbie doll house.
You did. You get a Barbie dream house, huh?
Yeah, from
She'll
my
be
mom
so
and dad.
she'll have so much fun with her new friends.
Yeah. Who did we get? We got the white and polka dot Barbie.
The pink and polka dot Barbie, and she has a little sister. We're gonna have to try and collect her, huh?
And she had a pink zebra.
A zebra little pet? Hold on, let me see.
And it's also pink.
Let me see. Let me see. Oh, let's see. You're a little shaky. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. We have got to get that one, Rowan.
Yeah, I hope we get that one. That's so cute.
Quinny's running around in the background.
And I also have, and she's my baby.
Yeah, Quinny's your baby
I want to
sister.
go get that. You are fabulous. No, I'm fabulous.
Let's see her. Oh my goodness, she is so beautiful.
Look.
What is her name gonna be? We should name her.
How about we name her Pinkalina?
Pinkalina. Oh, that's cute. Hi, Pinkalina. Welcome to the family. Okay, let's get a breakdown. So, we found out she has pink hair. Let's see her pink hair. There you go. I see her pink hair. Oh, that's so beautiful. Look at this pink hair.
And it's so soft.
It's so soft and it just clips in there. Okay, what else does she have? She has a polka dot skirt.
With little sprinkles.
Little sprinkles and ruffles. And her shirt has matching polka dots on it.
And
what color eyes does she have?
She has blue.
Blue eyes and pink lipstick.
And she has pink shoes.
Pink shoes. These are beautiful pink
and look
shoes.
what I can do, guys. I can do this. Fashion.
Fashion.
Fashion show.
Be a Barbie, but make it Vogue. And what kind of earrings does she have?
She has pink earrings with loops.
Pink earrings with loops. Oh, those are so beautiful. I need a pair of those.
I need a pair of those too.
You do. Okay.
But you can get them at Walmart, Target, or anywhere with toys.
Good job.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Hey Rowan.